Hey everyone, Iris here, and today we are grilling up a tripleta sandwich. And this is a Puerto Rican sandwich that has tripleta, 3 different kinds of meat. Usually it's 3 different kinds of pork, but you can do whatever you want. Today we are mixing it up by adding some chicken thigh. We have chorizo, as well as ham. For our spice mixture, we're keeping it really simple, but flavor-packed. Oregano, black pepper, cumin, chipotle chili powder, and of course, salt. Give it a stir. So we're just gonna lightly season all of our meat. A lot of the seasoning will kind of come off on the grill, so you can season pretty liberally here. Our chicken, ham, this is also fully cooked. We can get to the vegetables. Here we have 2 bell peppers, a green one and a red one, and of course, an onion. I love grilling onion. And we're gonna keep it simple with the bell pepper. We're just gonna keep it intact and just slice it down the middle and devein and peel. These and these are ready for the grill. All right, we have our tripleta ingredients off the grill. Let's get to chopping. We're gonna pop this into the bowl. Look at these beautiful grill marks. So juicy and crunchy. Amazing. Oh yeah, perfect. Into the bowl. You guys know how much I love my grilled onion. It's so sweet and has such a delicious flavor. Mix the veggies up with our tripleta meat. Look at that. The chorizo smells so good, and all the spices melt together so well with the sweetness of the vegetables. Now that we have our mixture prepped, we can prep our buns. And we're gonna do this instead of slicing it here like you might with a hot dog or something like that. We're actually gonna slice it, score it in the middle right here. All the way to the end is fine. And what I'm gonna do is actually take out some of this bread and sides to make a little bit more room for our filling. So from here, we got it nice and hollowed out like this. We're gonna add a little bit of our iceberg lettuce and just line it a little bit to give a little bit extra crunch and freshness. And then we are ready to stuff with our grilled mixture. Just gonna gently spoon in. Try to make sure you have a little bit of everything. Really pile this on. Okay, so this is almost ready to eat. One final touch, we're gonna add some mustard and ketchup to this to really jazz it up. Oh, and we're also gonna add a little bit more lettuce to the top. Come on. I guess now I eat this. It's so beautiful, I don't wanna touch it. Work up an appetite. Okay, you guys ready? See how I can get it right. That chicken's perfectly cooked. The mustard's actually really fantastic with this. I love yellow mustard. Make sure I get a little piece of everything. The bell pepper is so perfectly cooked. It's juicy, it's sweet, tender. All right, y'all, this was so delicious, but it's so big. I think I have to share. Do you want some? Yeah? Okay, we'll save you some after the show. This was a tripleta sandwich, a Puerto Rican sandwich with 3 kinds of meat. We had ham, chorizo, and chicken thigh. And we would love to know what you would put in your tripleta. What combo would you make? And keep it here for more Bussin Eats. We'll see you next time.